Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today is competition day. I'm so scared. We're here at the mall right now. We're already in Laredo. It's March 31st and it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. In the video where I was explaining to you guys what was gonna happen and stuff, we had said that we were gonna go to the seminar, but we didn't because we just wanted to spend more time with Grecia in the morning. And because she stayed at home with my sister-in-law Jenny and my mom, we are going to be here till probably 8 o'clock in the evening, and I didn't want to leave her at 9 o'clock to be here by 10 and then like leave her there all day long. So we spent a little bit more time with her in the morning. Just to drive people crazy. Yeah, and the competition starts at like 2:45. Setup is at 2:30, and I'm pretty nervous. We stopped here at the mall real quick to get Bert some shoes, and we had lunch at the food court. The amount of people who have been messaging me and like just commenting on my picture and stuff is amazing. So I don't know what else to say except for my shirt's awesome. It says too glam to give a damn. That's my mindset today. And then Bert just got his shirt has a was it a crown?
What do you mean?
Those.
Yeah. But it's not called the crown.
What is it called?
It's King clothing, dude.
But I'm saying what the shirt has.
Oh, it's crown in the front.
It has a crown in the front, and then on the back it says King Clothing, right? Which is a brand that Joe has, our friend. And he also made me this shirt to wear today, and it actually matches my shirt, my shoes. It matches my shoes perfectly. Did you tell him or what?
No, he said I got some glitter stuff I could put on the shirt.
It matches my shoes perfect because I just got new shoes the other day, and it's kind of like the same color of the glitter, which is pretty awesome. And those are the shoes Bert got right now. So we're gonna go to Walmart real quick because we need to buy a lint roller, a little cloth for my setup station, and then what else? A lotion. And I think that's pretty much it. So we will see you guys there. I won't say that I'll talk to you guys right away, but Bert's gonna try to film like all the other girls that I'm competing against. Barber battle. Wars, not battle. It's so confusing, but whatever, we'll show you guys it, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. So the Barber border wars are now over, and I did not place. And yes, I was crying. That's why my eyes look like this, but not because I didn't place. I called my mom right after, and Grecia stayed with my mom and my sister-in-law. And as soon as I heard her voice, like, what did she say that made me cry? I miss you.
Hi, mommy.
But she said, I miss you, mommy. Something like that, and that just broke my heart. This is the longest I've ever been away from her, and it's only been a couple of hours. Like I miss her so much.
Not even 12 hours.
It's been 8, 7, 10, 11, 12.
At 11 actually we dropped her off.
Yeah, 11, 12. Freaking 9 hours. Right?
6 hours.
6 hours that I've been away from her, and she made me cry. She's never been away, like, it's always me and her. So Kat did win though. Kat, the other girl from Zapata, Kat Arambula, she is Luis's wife, and she placed second. So at least one of us placed, but everybody did a really good job, so that's what counts.
And got free lashes.
And the experience was worth it, because like I said,
now you know what to expect on the next one.
Yeah, it's nothing that I would have ever done by myself, and if they wouldn't have signed me in, I don't think I would have ever known what it would be like to participate in a competition or anything like that. So I'm happy that I was able to do it either way. But right now we're gonna go. Are these people staring?
Mm-hmm.
We're parked at a red light and we're gonna go eat at Cheddar's. Yum.
It's a fucking movie in here.
And we've been standing up all day long. So Bert's been like, he was walking throughout the entire thing, filming everything, and then I had to be standing like while at the hour that I was doing the makeup.
I stood the whole time.
And
I went through 3 batteries.
yeah, he went through 3 batteries to get all the footage that you guys just saw, and 2 SIM cards.
More, because I'm thinking to add all that. Two cards, yes.
So that was a lot.
That's what I like to do, and I got a lot of like exposure with a lot of people from there too.
Yeah, so he's
I don't know
got
how many people, like at least 10-20 people added me on Facebook and Instagram.
mm-hmm.
You get it off too or no?
Nah, don't know, my feet hurt too much. Bring me a Slim Jim, please.
We're gonna go eat right there, Slim Jim.
Well, you're gonna buy me one after.
Locked it.
Okay. So, like I said, I'm happy that I was able to experience something like this. I will definitely do it again. I already know what to expect and all that. So, yeah. We'll see how the next one goes, whenever that is. I'm just ready to eat.
Just a little longer and we'll give you your present. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm waiting for you.
Okay, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Nothing.
No.
No. Oh, okay.
What video with Grandma?
Alright.
We'll be right there, okay, Mommy? Oh.
Can it be cool? Just pressing the buttons.
Bye, Mommy. Oh, here me colgó.
That one or this one?
Mommy, say hi.
Hi, guys.
Tell them we're all home. I missed you, Mommy. Did you miss Mama and Daddy? Did you miss us?
You wanna watch Chicken Little?
Of course. We are home now, guys. I have taken off all of my makeup and I'm so ready for bed. It is 11:52 and we're gonna crash. So we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.